All I wanna do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. Oh.
Well, hello, darlings, and welcome back. My name is DarlingrAnita, and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if you do love lifestyle, travel, and fashion videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will never miss a video. Well, today's video is going to be short and simple. We're going to be unboxing the Delta box, the January Delta box. Now I did get an email that there were some concerns about the item that is in here, and my dear Soros was able to generously give us a credit for our next box, which I do want to see what it looks like. But to be perfectly honest, everything that I have been getting so far has been a 5-star. There have been some hiccups with the shipping. We normally do not get the box at that month. Let's say, for example, January box is not coming to February, that kind of stuff. But you got to be understanding, knowing that, hey, some things are out of our control, just like the shipping, and that is one thing that I'm not so much concerned about. But for the Delta Box team sending us an email telling us about their understanding that the shipments have not been coming in a timely manner, as well as this product. So I'm excited. Well, not excited, but curious to know what's in here, that they said that it may be not pleasing to our eyes, but we're going to see. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. Some of you probably have already received the box, but sorry. Now, one thing I can say that I do not like is that if you can see how torn my box is, and that's not you, Delta. That's not you, the Delta Box team. It is your shipping company, and I think that the postal service is what's doing this. They are like throwing boxes and piling stuff on top of it. What I think what happened, they piled something on top of it, and it messed up the box. But just a little hint, you probably need to try to go another route and get in our boxes sent to us, because right now the UPS is not doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, so it is really in here good. So I guess since it's torn, I'm gonna go ahead and rip it. Don't want to break my nails or anything. So all right, so of course, if you've seen me unbox the Delta box, it does come with the letterhead, etc. And then it also comes with some paper representing the Delta. Like I said, this box is torn bad, so this is how the box look. It has the Delta box, and it has a little saying here for us, referring team, emails, how to make contact, etc. Now, this box is a disaster, so we're gonna put that right there. So it is a jacket or a sweater. So far, I don't see anything wrong with it, but I'm about to open it and see what the issue is. To me, I'm gonna be perfect honest. Some people are just too picky, and come on, it is what it is. Everything is not going to be, can you say it with me, perfect? Okay. All right, so this is, I don't see anything wrong with it. It has Delta on it. They were saying something about when you where you open it up, you're going to see that the letter. Okay, I think I see. You see right here where you see the letter. Let me see. Let me close it back up so you can see what I think that may be what they're talking about, but that's nothing to be alarming about. All right, so if you can see here is DELTA, and when you open it up, I'm assuming you see how it splits. Right here, the letter splits. I mean, okay, keep the jacket closed, but let's put this on and see how it looks on me. How it looks on. If it's perfect, I get a medium for my Delta box, and I don't see anything wrong. I'm really trying to figure it out what's wrong. Okay, so it has a shield, 1913, okay? It has Delta, like baseball, hey, it is what it is. But to be honest, the only thing is I see because of this, but when you close your jacket, sisters, close it. It's perfect. It's spelled Delta. Let's see what's on the back. Nothing is on the back. It's just like, it's a nice jacket. And the buttons is that you snap on the buttons. You see, you snap on the buttons. The buttons are red. Now, it is a kind of hard to snap, but that's okay. Something that you can work with. But hey, all you doing is snap. You're snapping it. And that's it. I think it's nice. And it has a lining on the inside, which will keep you warm. I can see myself with a white turtleneck on and some blue jeans, some faded blue jeans. And this fits, I think it's nice. I mean, I think it's a nice jacket. So sisters, girlfriends, this is the Delta January Delta box item. I think it is a nice item. It fits perfect. This is a jacket that you can wear, especially in the spring little months when it's kind of chilly but not that cold. I think this is perfect. See anything wrong with this? I like it. The Delta box team, you did a good job. Okay, I love it, but I also love that credit you're gonna give me. Just keep it real. Since the end of the video, I hope I was able to give you an insight of how this jacket looks and what they're talking about with the issue that is on it. But hey, I love this jacket. If you don't like that lettering, sticking out, just close the jacket. Just close it. But know that you are beautiful from your head to your toes. Make sure you subscribe. Until the next video.